The independent rise of China's semiconductor industry is rewriting history. The Huawei Mate60, a globally acclaimed new product. Powered by the Kirin 9000S processor, it not only represents Huawei's quality and innovation but also signifies the rise of China's semiconductor industry. This ascent has profoundly impacted China's robotics industry, rewriting the history of foreign chips being hyped up to a price of 2,500 yuan. The robotics industry is experiencing explosive growth, with applications spanning manufacturing, healthcare, services, and military sectors. However, domestic robot manufacturers have long relied on imported core chips, which has hindered the rapid development of China's robotics industry. The Kirin 9000S, manufactured using a 7nm process, offers higher performance and efficiency for robotic chips. It integrates 5G baseband, SoC, and an AI acceleration engine, which are vital for robot communication, computation, and intelligent decision-making. More importantly, the Kirin 9000S adopts Huawei's independent 𝗹𝗵𝗶𝗶𝗶 architecture, granting robot manufacturers greater flexibility and customization capabilities. Thus, the launch of the Kirin 9000S not only represents a significant advancement in China's semiconductor industry, but also acts as a catalyst for the soaring of China's robotics industry. It will propel Chinese robot manufacturers to prominence in both domestic and international markets.